Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen. Today, I'm going to talk to you about my favorite food, cottage cheese. Yes, because it's delicious and it's packed with nutrients. You know, lately I've seen cottage cheese posted everywhere in social media. It is almost like it has become the new kale. Well, the funny thing is that I have been recommending cottage cheese to my clients for years now, and for a good reason, because it's packed with protein and nutrients, which can help with weight management and general health. So I have partnered with National Dairy Council to share with you the benefits of cottage cheese and my latest recipe, cottage cheese pasta sauce. I can't wait to show you. Now let's talk a little bit about cottage cheese. So cottage cheese is a nutritional powerhouse known for its high protein content. It also contains calcium, contributing to strong bones and teeth. Plus, it is a great source of vitamin B2, which plays a valuable role in energy production. I love using it in this pasta sauce because it provides a creaminess that is usually only created with higher fat dairy products. This makes the dish lower in fat and higher in protein. This protein-packed cottage cheese pasta sauce is so easy to make, you won't believe it. Now, let's get cooking. Start by heating the oil in a saucepan. Add some diced onions and crushed garlic and saute them until those onions turn translucent. Add a can of tomato paste, a can of diced tomatoes, and a can of tomato sauce. Don't forget to sprinkle some dry oregano for that extra kick of flavor. Mix everything well. This is a great dish to make even when tomatoes are out of season, since it uses canned tomato products. Now, here's where the magic happens. Transfer the tomato mixture into a blender. And the star of the show, cottage cheese. And a cup of 2% milk. Blend it all until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Pour the creamy goodness back into the saucepan. Add the shredded Parmesan cheese, sea salt, and black pepper. Let it simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. Stirring occasionally. Take your chef skills to the next level and elevate the flavors by tossing some sliced fresh basil leaves. Your cottage cheese pasta sauce is ready to shine. Now to the grand finale. Simply pour the luscious cottage cheese pasta sauce over your favorite pasta. I happen to use bucatini pasta. Alright, my friends, this is the best part, the taste. Let's see how it came out. Wow. So creamy, so outrageous, delicious, it's crazy. When I tested this recipe, created the recipe, I knew that was gonna be good, but this went beyond my expectations. So you better run to the supermarket and get the ingredients, and now it's your turn to make this delicious protein-packed cottage cheese pasta sauce. You're gonna simply love it. Actually, your entire family is gonna love it. And by the way, as you know, the holidays are coming, more gatherings. This definitely is a potluck winner. So if you wanna impress your friends, take this in your potlucks or holiday parties. You're gonna love it. They're gonna love it. All right, for more information, recipe ideas, and facts, visit usdairy.com. And don't forget to subscribe. Plus, if you want to find the recipe, it's on my blog. The link is on the post. So go to my blog and make it. All right. So if you want to find more about myself and my services, visit manuelvillacorta.com. I hope you enjoyed today. Until next time. Bye now.